Hello everyone, today in this video how to fix Monster Hunter now fake GPS not working. Facing this problem how to fix Monster Hunter now GPS fake not working, and facing this problem how to fix this problem, and watching this video how to fix your problem. So many people and facing this problem, and all users how to fix this problem. Monster Hunter now fake GPS is not working your PC, and how to fix your problem. So first will open your how to fix Monster Hunter now fake GPS not working, and facing this problem how to fix fake GPS not working, and first will follow and this article and how to fix your problem. And सबसे पहले आपको first will find monster and now GPS fake GPS not working and developer cranked down, and how to fix your problem crashing is server down and cracked it down on your creating. and first will यहाँ पे 2 अक्टूबर and your monster GPS and आपको disable monster hunter now spawn is spoofing from faking and location and to technical issue, and this your face GPS and not working and cloud we due to technical issues and facing this problem and limitations and of GPS. and first all यहाँ पे आपको नीचे की साइड में आना है how to restart the apps and restart your phone and update the apps and check your internet connection, disable and location spoofing and apps. and how to fix this problem, use the different location and support apps.